Hello student, I am Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. Today I am back with your favorite question and concept series. I am sure this series will help you understand various concepts and answer your doubt. Now let's move on to today's question. Why do some west-flowing peninsular rivers form estuaries but east-flowing rivers form deltas? To understand this question clearly, we will divide this question into two parts. But before that, let's see what is an estuaries. Estuaries when a fast-flowing river enters the sea through a narrow crack, it does not form a delta but drains all the silt and sediments into the sea. The structure thus formed is called an estuaries. It is a place where river fresh water and sea salt water meets without depositing sediments at its mouth. Now let's go back to our question. The first half of the question is, why do some west-flowing peninsular rivers form estuaries? Estuaries of west-flowing rivers flow through Rift Valley, which has a westward slope, thus they flow westward. Second point, the river beds being made of hard rocks makes erosion difficult. Now third point, this together with their small length and short catchment area contributing water to a river results in lower silt concentration in rivers. Now fourth point, the high gradient steep slope at the mouth of river causes rapid flow of river water and thus the silt falls directly into the sea. Fifth point, the tidal waves then washes away all the silt out to the sea and thus an estuary is formed. Now we will move to the next part of the question, but before that, let's see what is a delta. Delta a river upon meeting the sea deposits sand and sediment at its mouth. The triangular land thus formed is called a delta. Now let's move on to the other half of the question. Why do east-flowing peninsular rivers form deltas? Delta, first point, east-flowing rivers flows through Deccan Plateau, which has a eastward slope, as Western Ghats are at higher elevation than Eastern Ghats, thus they flow eastward direction. Now second point, their length and large catchment area contributing water to a river results in higher silt concentration in rivers. Third point, the low gradient gentle slope at the mouth of river decreases the speed of river water, and this favors silt deposition near the mouth. Now fourth point, the sediments thus deposited cannot be carried away by the waves and tides because of low gradient, and it builds up in layers. Fifth point, this then leads to the formation of triangular shaped land, and thus a delta is formed near the mouth. Now let's look at recaps. Estuaries and delta. By diagram, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats is higher than Eastern Ghats, and the rivers, those are flowing westward, they originate from Central Highland, flow through Rift Valley and fall into the Arabian Sea. Their slope is westward, and on the mouth the slope is steep, so the river flow rapidly there and do not deposit any sediment at their mouth, and they form the estuaries. East-flowing rivers flow through eastward direction. They originate from Western Ghats. Their slope is gentle. Before falling into the sea, they form gentle slope, and their speed is slow. So they deposited sediments on their mouth and formed the triangular shape of land known as delta. Why do some west-flowing peninsular rivers form estuaries? West-flowing rivers flow through Rift Valley, which has a westward slope, thus they flow westward direction. The river bed, being made up of hard rocks, make erosion difficult. This, together with their small length and short catchment area, resulted in lower silt concentration in rivers. The high gradient at the mouth of river causes rapid flow of river water, and thus the silt falls directly into the sea. The tidal waves then wash away all the silt out of the sea, and thus an estuary is formed. Why do east-flowing peninsular rivers form deltas? East-flowing rivers flow through Deccan Plateau, which has a eastward slope. As Eastern Ghats are at higher elevation than Eastern Ghat, thus they flow eastward. Their length and large catchment area contributing water to a river results in higher silt concentration in rivers. The low gradient, gentle slope at the mouth of river decreases the speed of river water, and this favors silt deposition near the mouth. The sediments thus deposited cannot be carried away by the waves and tide because of low gradient, and it builds up in layers. This then leads to the formation of an triangular shaped land, and thus a delta is formed near the river mouth. That's all for today. See you next time. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you.